In this video, we will discuss 5 powerful fruits that boost kidney cleanse. Today, we're diving into the world of nephrology, specifically the top 5 fruits that can help cleanse your kidneys. These fruits aren't just delicious. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support kidney health. Whether you're looking to prevent kidney stones, improve overall kidney function, or just want to give your kidneys some extra love, these fruits are a must-add to your diet. So grab a glass of water, sit back, and get ready to learn about these amazing kidney-cleansing fruits. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Before we delve into our top picks, let's take a moment to understand why cleansing your kidneys is so important. Your kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering waste products from your blood, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure. When toxins, excess salts, and other waste build up in your kidneys, it can lead to kidney stones, decreased kidney function, and even kidney failure. That's where kidney cleansing comes in. By consuming certain foods, including the fruits we'll discuss today, you can support your kidneys in their vital role and keep them functioning at their best. Now, let's explore the 5 powerful fruits that can help you cleanse your kidneys. Number 1. Watermelon. Hydration is crucial for kidney health, and watermelon is a fantastic choice for staying hydrated. This juicy fruit consists of 96% water and is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Lycopene is also known for its potential to lower the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. To enjoy the kidney cleansing benefits of watermelon, simply slice up the fruit and eat it as a snack or add it to salads, smoothies, or fruit platters. You can also drink watermelon juice diluted with water for a refreshing and hydrating treat. Number 2. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruit are highly astringent, meaning they can help in reducing swelling and inflammation in the kidneys. They're also rich in vitamin C, which supports the body's natural detoxification processes. The high citrate content in citrus fruits also helps prevent and dissolve kidney stones. To incorporate citrus fruits into your kidney cleanse routine, you can start your day with a glass of fresh citrus juice or add slices of lemon or lime to your water. You can also enjoy whole citrus fruits as snacks or use them to add flavor and nutrients to salads and smoothies. 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are not only delicious and high in water content, but also packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and ellagic acid. These antioxidants help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Vitamin C also aids in collagen synthesis, which is essential for maintaining healthy kidney tissues. To enjoy strawberries during your kidney cleanse, you can eat them fresh, frozen, or as part of a smoothie. Remember that it's important to wash them thoroughly before consumption to remove any dirt or pesticides. 4. Apples. Apples contain a natural compound called quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These characteristics help in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, promoting better kidney function. Additionally, apples are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and preventing obesity-related kidney diseases. To maximize the kidney cleansing benefits of apples, it's best to consume them with the skin on. You can enjoy them as snacks, add them to salads, or blend them into a smoothie. 5. Watermelon seeds. While most people discard watermelon seeds, they actually offer additional kidney cleansing benefits. Watermelon seeds are rich in magnesium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of kidney stones. They also contain other essential nutrients like zinc and iron. To incorporate watermelon seeds into your diet, you can roast them lightly and enjoy them as a snack or sprinkle them over salads for added texture and nutrition. You can also grind the seeds into a powder and add it to smoothies or other dishes. In addition to incorporating these fruits into your daily diet, there are some simple lifestyle changes you can make to enhance your kidney cleanse. Staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water is essential for kidney health. Water helps your kidneys filter toxins and keep your body hydrated. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water daily, and more if you're exercising or in hot weather. Regular exercise can also help cleanse your kidneys by increasing blood flow and promoting overall kidney health. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. If you're enjoying the content so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot and motivates us to keep creating informative and helpful videos for you. While these fruits are safe and beneficial for most people, there may be rare cases where individuals have allergies or sensitivities to specific fruits. If you suspect you may have a fruit allergy, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before consuming large amounts of that fruit. Similarly, if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's advisable to speak with your doctor before making significant changes to your diet. As we come to the end of this video, remember that while these fruits can support your kidney health, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you have any concerns about your kidney health or are at risk for kidney disease, it's essential to consult with a doctor and follow their recommended guidelines. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these powerful fruits that can help cleanse your kidneys. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, not just for your kidneys, but for your overall well-being. Remember, a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is key to supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. So, go ahead, add these delicious and nutritious fruits to your meals and snacks, and give your kidneys the love they deserve. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.